So delicious. Oh. I made some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies today, and this is how I did it. I took some butter that I lightly heated in the oven to soften and added some creamy peanut butter to it. The regular kind, not the natural one that separates. Then I added a mixture of white and brown sugar to it and blended it all together by hand. I like to do this before using a hand mixer so the butter and sugar doesn't fly everywhere. Once everything was well mixed, I used an electric beater to combine everything even more and whip some air into it and watched it become lighter brown in color. Then I added the egg, milk, and vanilla extract to the peanut butter and used the electric mixer to combine everything together. I beat the egg beforehand to measure half an egg to use in these cookies since I'm only making a half batch today. When everything was well mixed and smooth, I set the peanut butter mixture aside to work on the dry ingredients. Starting with some all-purpose flour in a bowl, I added in the baking powder and salt. I quickly mixed it all together and then added it to the peanut butter mixture. Here, I mixed everything together by hand and it took a while for all the flour to disappear. The dough does eventually become quite stiff and hard to mix. I added in some chocolate chips and stirred it in as well. Chocolate and peanut butter are an amazing combo after all. With my favorite cookie scoop, I scooped out 2 tablespoon balls of dough and placed them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space in between each. Then, I pressed each ball of dough down with a fork, which gives these a classic peanut butter cookie look, and finished them off with a couple chocolate chips on top. I baked them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 minutes and took them out once they were lightly golden brown on the edges and light brown on the bottom. I let them cool on the pan for a couple minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. These cookies are soft in the middle and have a delicious peanut butter flavor accented by the chocolate. A delicious treat for every occasion, and I suspect that they would be even better dunked in a glass of warm milk or hot chocolate. I give these a gigantic 2 thumbs up. I really hope you make these peanut butter chocolate chip cookies because they're absolutely delicious and amazing and super easy to make. I'll see you all next time.